Okay, hopefully we've moved past the gas tank now. It should be all good. Hopefully it doesn't leak any water. And now I'm going to move on to start cleaning all the rest of the fuel parts. Going to start off this morning with the throttle body. You can see what it looks like. It's just really dirty. I'm going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up. Take the other hoses off. I should have replacement hoses for all of this now. I've got some B12 chem tool. I got some degreaser and of course brake cleaner, which cleans everything. Alright, so that's where I'm going to start, get this all cleaned up, and then I'm going to move on to taking the fuel injectors apart and start rebuilding the fuel injectors. That's the next step. Now I'm just trying to take these fuel hoses off if they'll come undone. These are all really stuck. Hoses are off, so let's see if we can make this look a little bit cleaner. It's very dirty. Some stuff way down here on the inside. I want to get all this cleaned out as best I can. Got the inside all clean. Everything seems to be cleaned out inside pretty good, so hopefully something good. Yay!